Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog. Appreciate you coming on by and kicking it with me for just a little bit. Wanted to talk about those deals that you can utilize right now over at the Samsung store for all the tech goodies that were announced during Samsung Unpacked, South Korea, Seoul. But I'm mainly here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is the device that I'll be bringing in. And I gotta tell you, man, the deals are just really, really good. In fact, they're great. They really are. I'm getting $800 for my S21 Ultra, and I was able to utilize an education offer. When you head over to the Samsung store at the top of the page, right-hand side, there's going to be an area there that reads Samsung Offer Programs. You have to take advantage of those programs, those discounts, especially for those of you that can. Now, my wife works in education, so I was able to utilize that discount. There are some of you that work for the government, U.S. government employees, first responders, that's fire, police, and medical practitioners. There's military offers. I could have gone through my son. He spent 12 years in the Army. Active duty, veterans, and military families. There's a certain percentage that will come off the total amount after your trade-in, and I'm telling you, man, it brought my order down to 803 smacks.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
For the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So if you've not taken advantage of the pre-order trade-ins, do not forget to take advantage of those discounts. That's very important to save every penny that you can. Now, there's those videos where you'll see the title, "Who is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 for?" It's for everyone, man. It's even for the guy or the gal that has the Z Fold 4. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it. I'd say save your money. You never know if Samsung redesigns the Z Fold next year. The 6th generation, you get a shorter, wider Z Fold in design, and maybe it even houses the S Pen, right? I mean, that's what I would be looking forward to. I would save my money just in case. You never know. Unless you got to have the next best thing, because the gap on the Z Fold 4 is now annoying to look at since you've seen the pictures of the Z Fold 5 with no gap. But if you look really close, there is a little bit of a gap, just a little bit. Now, I would say if you've been holding on to the 1st gen, 2nd gen, 3rd gen, it's definitely worth the upgrade. If you've never had a Z Fold, like myself, it's definitely worth taking the step forward, getting in there, trying something different than what you're used to with that regular candy bar shaped smartphone. It's time. And there are those of you out there who've never had a Samsung smartphone. You're either with Apple, Motorola, Sony, Google. You're intrigued. The trade-in deals are sweet. Yeah, make the jump. Check it out, man. Check it out. A smartphone and a tablet in one for the deals that you can utilize over at the Samsung store. And you're going to be able to get great deals with your carrier. But here's the thing. There's that 2-year commitment, right? So if you want to avoid that, you go with the Samsung store. But if you don't mind, then take advantage of your carrier's deals. because there, like I said, there's going to be some great deals being offered by Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. If you don't mind the 2-year commitment. I don't like to go that route, but there's Best Buy and there's other places on the web that you can take advantage of as far as deals. So that part of it is doing your homework. But I would say that if you've never ever had a foldable in your life, I gotta tell you, man, I'm super giddy about my Google Pixel Fold. I really am. It's my first, having an amazing time. The device itself has given me everything that I personally need from the beginning of my day to the end of my day. I'm just super excited about having it in pocket, pulling it out, using it, utilizing all the different tools, the multitasking tools, that huge real estate to take advantage of editing my content that I create, watching movies, videos, and yes, again, the multitasking. And I'm ready for my second fold, and I'm ready for the battle between both the Google Pixel Fold and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I would say the last group of people that should upgrade are for those of you that have the Z Fold 4. I don't think the gap is that big of a deal, but again, once you look at the pics between the two, you now can't unsee the Z Fold 5 that does not have a gap. And if it's really bothering you and irking you, then make the jump. Because really, at the end of the day, it's for everyone. Especially when you have those type of deals. All right, and with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Appreciate your time. Leave some feedback. We'll chit-chat about it. I'm out. Peace.